Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python 3, 8+, and an isolated venv. This avoids dependency conflicts. Once done, pip install transformers and torch or a lightweight library. This gives you model and tokenizer tools. Create a simple intents. JSON with sample user phrases and responses so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to check GPU availability versus CPU so you know performance limits. Then write a tiny main Py that loads the tokenizer and a base model, and prints a test inference to confirm the pipeline works. Now you implement preprocessing. Normalize text, strip punctuation selectively, and tokenize. This reduces mismatches and improves responses. Next, load your model with from pretrained or a local checkpoint, move it to device and set eval to disable dropout. For generation, choose temperature, max length, and top K/top P or use beam search depending on creativity needs. Connect generation output to a post-processing step that detokenizes and applies intent rules. This combines ML fluency with deterministic safety for key intents. To finish, wrap your chatbot in a small API using Fast API or Flask so you can test via HTTP. Async handling improves throughput. Add logging, session state management for context, and a confidence threshold to trigger fallback responses. Deploy locally or to a small VM/container and monitor latency. If things go wrong, first verify tokenizer and model match, confirm the model is on the intended device, and inspect input encoding. This single check solves most silent failures and mismatched outputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.